What's the meaning of Buck Rogers? Buck Rogers. Buck Rogers.
Buck Rogers. Buck Rogers. Buck Rogers is a term that refers to someone who is seen as old-fashioned or out of touch with modern culture and technology. The term comes from a comic strip character named Buck Rogers, who was created in the 1920s and depicted as a hero from the future. Over time, the term has become a way to mock people who are perceived as being stuck in the past or resistant to change. It is often used in a derogatory way to describe individuals who refuse to adapt to current trends or ideas.